Hey guys, Chris Reibert here. Unless you've been living under a rock the past few seasons, you should know that SAB Heli Division's been dominating the electrical heli market with their popular size helicopters all the way from the 380 up to the 770. With popular demand from their customers, team pilots, and friends, they finally come to the market with their first Nitro helicopter, the SAB Black Nitro. So let's dive right in and take a closer look. Okay guys, this is a big heavy box, so let's get it open here. First on top, always your manual, full color, highly detailed. If you haven't checked out or built an SAB model, I highly recommend it. Alright, so box number 1 here feels like a frame box. As always guys, when I'm done doing the unboxing, I'll take highly close-up detailed pics for you guys. So we'll start off with the frames, carbon fiber, vertical tail fin with stickers. Looks like maybe the bottom tray, and another carbon fiber standoff. So that's box number 1. Okay, so box number 2. One thing you can count on with an SAB model, guys, always highly packed, nice and tight, so nothing breaks, gets damaged with packing. It's got the plastic skid mounts, kind of like the Urukai ones that you've been seeing, like on a Goblin Kyle Stacy 700. There's your aluminum transmission, skid pipes, and here's a bracket for the fuel tank. So that's box number 2. A lot of boxes in this one. Alright, this is our miscellaneous parts box. We've got the belts, all the hardware bags, fuel tubing, the T-line, anti-rotational bracket, hardware for the fuselage, the rubber wrap for the canopy, gyro tray, fuel filter, pickup, control rods, linkages, ball links, all the goodies, everything to build the airframe. I'll tell you what, I've built about 13 Goblins. This is probably the biggest and most filled box yet. So let's move on. Alright, so moving on. We're getting close to my favorite boxes, which I should usually take out first. Tail boom, blades, and canopy. That can wait. Nice heavy box here. As always, SAB does not skimp out on their packing. Alright. Here's some fun parts for you. We've got the head, swash plate, main shaft. What's nice about this model in Black Thunder, the new matte finish. It's not the black finish like the Kyle Stacy, and not the standard aluminum chrome look. So we've got matte black, which is a really nice touch on this model. And here we have parts of our tail case, tail grips, the quick release canopy mounts, all the aluminum parts, parts of the transmission, main gear, pulley. And here we've got the fan, parts of the transmission, another pulley. So again, I'll get this all open for you guys, take closer pictures so you can really see the quality that SAB puts out. Okay, now we're getting my 2 favorite boxes of any helicopter kit, tail boom, blades, and canopy. So unlike your past SAB models that come with the original blades and then the new Blackline blades, this kit has the new Thunderbolt blades, main and tails. A little bit different airfoil, still the nice same graphics, all carbon fiber. SAB went a little bit different route, and they went with a 650 size for the blades and a tail boom. Better disc loading than the 630 had, not as floaty as the 700, so it should be more efficient on the drivetrain, especially being a Nitro model. So there is our beautiful tail boom, full carbon fiber. It's been lightened a little, nice gloss paint. Tail control rod, and the matching Thunderbolt tail blades. Alright, we're about to move on to my favorite box of all time. It's a canopy. Alright guys, you've been waiting for it, I've been waiting for it. Usually I start with this box, but I figured let's do this video a little bit different. Save the best for last. Canamod does a great job on the paint and clear coat on these models. I've never had a bad finish on these models. I've been very happy. There is our blade holder. Oh, I forgot, it's a Nitro model. Here's our gas tank and our cooling shroud. Not electric. here we are. Always love that smell of fresh paint and clear coat. There she is. This canopy is huge. For a 650 size model, you know, it's got the 700 characteristic in size. So there's our new Nitro canopy. It's got the little hole in the side here for adjusting your needle valve settings. Got the notch for your muffler. So that's it, guys. That's the unboxing of the new SAB Black Nitro. I'm going to go ahead, open some stuff up, and take some closer pics for you guys. If you've enjoyed the video, like the video below. Also, there's a link to my website, www.3dandscale.rchelicopters.com. There you can find my full build album and review that's to come after this gets built. So enjoy and have a great day.